Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Rahmat Prastomo with NPM 2441161. Class Management 24A.
Understanding and using statistics are foundation. Unlocking the power of data for informed decision making. What is statistics? Defining the science of data. Statistics is a fundamental discipline focused on the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. It transforms raw numbers into meaning insight. Collection, gathering relevant data through surveys, experiments of observation. Analysis, applying mathematical techniques to uncover patterns and relationships. Interpretation, deriving conclusion and making generalization from the analyzed data. The goal to provide a reliable framework for dealing with uncertainty. Why do we need statistics? Its role in everyday life and decision making. Statistics serves as the language of data, providing methods to quantify risks, test hypotheses, and make advanced-based judgments. Informed decisions, moving beyond intuitions to rely on measurable evidence. Pattern recognition, identifying trends, correlations, and anomalies in complex datasets. Quality control, ensuring consistency and predictability in manufacturing and processes. Descriptive statistics, summarizing and visualizing data. Descriptive statistics focus on summarizing the main features of a collection of data, providing a snapshot without drawing conclusions beyond the analyzed sample. Measure of central tendency, mean average, median middle value, mode most frequent. Measures of variability, range max mean, standard deviations, variance. Data visualizations, histograms and bar charts, box plots, scatter plots. These methods help organize data into simple, digestible summaries that highlight key characteristics. Inferential statistics, drawing conclusions and making predictions. Inferential statistics allow us to take data from a small sample and generalize the findings to a larger population, enabling predictions and hypothesis testing. Sample analysis collects data from a representative subset of the population. Confidence intervals quantify the certainty of the estimates derived from the sample. Hypothesis testing formulates and statistically test assumptions about the population. Generalization uses probability theory to extend sample findings to the entire population. This branch is crucial for clinical trials, market research, and predictive modeling. Common statistical methods and their application. Various techniques are employed depending on the research question and data type. 1. Regression analysis, modeling the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables, e.g. predicting sales based on advertising spend. 2. ANOVA, analysis of variance, comparing means of three or more independent groups to see if one group is significantly different from the others. 3. Chi-square test, determining if there is a significant association between two categorical variables, e.g., gender and product preference. Practical example: statistics in key fields. Statistics is an indispensable tool across virtually every industry, driving innovation and efficiency. Business finance, market segmentation, risk assessments, economic forecasting, and inventory optimizations. Science, healthcare, designing clinical trials, analyzing drugs, efficacy, and tracking disease prevalence. Epidemiology, social research, polling, demographics studies, analyzing human behavior, and evaluating policy effectiveness. Key takeaways and further exploration. Statistics empowers use to make sense of the world's complexity, transforming raw data into actionable knowledge. 1. Core function. Statistics is the science of turning data into insights through rigorous methods of collection and analysis. 2. Two pillars: descriptive summaries data, inferential generalizes findings to broader population. 3. Real-world impact. From medical breakthroughs to marketing strategies, statistical thinking is critical for modern progress.